How's it going, guys? It's me, Ronel, and welcome back to unboxing. And today I got myself some Akko Switch Rose Red. This is the linear kind, as you can see right there. Rose Red linear 43 ground force, I think, operating force, and total travel 3.5. That right there, all the goodness. But yeah, because I recently lubed my keyboard, the switches, I lubed them, and they sound pretty good. This is the lube version, and I'm going for the Thocky, and this is like it's not linear, that's what I know, but I'm going for like the most Thocky because it sounds so good. Like if you just hear that, this is not lube, this is lubed. This just sounds so good right here. Not lubed. It just sounds like a pitch higher. This like goes deep. So I'm gonna test, like, I'm gonna lube this because I do want it to be extra thockier. So I'm gonna lube this, and then I'm gonna make a comparison of lubed brown switches and unlubed brown switches. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox this. Let's see what we have in the packaging. Only did order just one, so I'm just gonna do, because there's 45 inside, so I'm gonna do all the letters, escaped, probably shift, space bar, and some other stuff, and then I'll just put the rest in the key. And then for the unlubed one, I'm gonna just take it off of there and then just move it, transfer, you know. But yeah, we're gonna move on to the box. It is like a sliding box, as you can see right here. Pretty nice. It feels premium, but I got this for like $16, 13 actually, from Amazon, but you can also get it from their website for like a way cheaper. And also you can get a lubed factory lube version, but I think it'll be good if you lube it yourself, because you know you're doing it yourself, and factory lube ain't bad, but like, you know, it's still like kind of you know, they don't really recommend it. But here are the switches. There's 45 of them. There we go. I kind of want to test it out right now. There we go. Let me grab one of these. It honestly sounds lubed to me, but I'll check that out because I don't think it's lubed. It never said it was, but still, I'm gonna check on it. I did also grab this so I can like take out the stuff and the stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna grab a switch that is lubed from here and not lubed. And also, if you guys haven't seen, I did review this keyboard. It's a good keyboard, you know. All right, so this is the switches. The brown switch. This is the unlubed one. Let me just focus it up. This is the unlubed. This is lubed. So it makes it a lot quieter. And I went with Akkos because, as you can see, we grab one of these. The pins, they're pretty tiny. So if you do grab this keyboard, it's perfect. It's like some pins out there from like different switches are like thick, and it won't really fit on the soldering. I mean, not the soldering, but like the board right here, you know, because that's the thing. Oh, and also I did mod this keyboard. I have tape mod. I also put foam, yeah, tape, and then I think that's it. And I cut the thing on the stabilizers. I forgot what that is. But yeah, I did all the mods to make it more thockier, and it honestly, it's good. You don't have to buy this, but if you do want a Thocky one, I think you want to go with the red switch. I just went with this because it makes the sound of the blue switches, kind of. But then I realized that I wanted the Thocky one. That's why I bought this, and it's trying to swap them out. But yeah, it sounds good right now. I don't really have a problem with it. I just wanted to see what would it sound like with this. You know, I don't really have something to open this switches, so, but I do have this. I have a really thin knife. So I mean, if you guys like really like wanted to do it but you don't have the right tool, so there's like difference to like the part right here. There's two different ones, but there's like videos out there that you can see, but you just need to find something like super like thin that you can go right here and then go under it, and then see how easy that was. And then now it's open, and you do the same from the back, the other side, but I'm not gonna do that because it's already lubed. But yeah, that is it. I'm gonna lube this one. I don't really have, just buy like a super lube, or I don't know, just find a keyboard lube out there that you could do, because that would make the better choices, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna check if this has a lube, and then we will test out unlubed and lubed brown switches, and then lubed, unlubed, Akko, red, rose, linear switches. So yeah, I'll catch you guys there. Okay, I did open it up. This is the unlubed one, and we'll just see the different springs. This one, the Akko one, have pretty big long strings, like kind of, as you can see, let me just zoom in, that's the length. It's just about like an inch off, not really an inch, just a 0.1 something, I don't know, but it has, the brown switches has tiny springs, little springs. So yeah, this is it, and we just need to lube this up, and then yeah, we'll proceed to the test. All right guys, I have it all installed here. You have the lubed akkos, we got lube brown switches. You can hear the springs. It's kind of bad. When you like lubed it, it kind of lessened the noise of the spring, which is good. So, and then I'm gonna put the keycaps, and let's see how it sounds. Here we go. I'm just gonna put in, this is the lubed, unlubed akkos, lube brown switch. Okay, wobble test. Man, it's still pretty the same. It's not really wobbling though. I mean, it is wobbling. Okay, let's test down the brown first. This is brown with lubed. Unlubed. Akkos, unlubed. Lubed. Since it's like linear, it like goes down fast, which is good. I can't wait to like type on it. But yeah, I'm gonna lube all the letters. I'm not gonna do like a sound test because I don't have my PC on at the moment, you know. And I just did review on that graphics card, so you guys check it out. I guess I could do a sound test, but I need to like, I guess here. Let me just prop it again. Okay, here we go. I don't know if this is gonna be here, but that's the brown with lubed. This is unlubed. As you can see there, it sounds much better lubed. It just makes it more quieter. This one is like, you can hear like the plasticky sound. Oh my god. I can't wait to lube it up and then place it wherever I want. I'll keep the brown switches to the keys that I awfully press often, you know, just to make it sound better. But yeah, we're gonna move on to that again. I'm gonna lube it and then put it on, and then I'm gonna give you guys a typing test and then my final thoughts. Alright, I have to re-record because I did record upside down, or like the portrait. But yeah, I already put the one with the Akko switches to the keys that I want, and then all the ones with the keycap will have all the lubed brown switches because I don't have enough. But I did put it like the backspace, shift, you know, enter shift, and the keys, numbers, and spacebar, control, you know. The one that I type the most, the one that I click the most, like during gaming or typing, you know. And then all these with the keycaps are all gonna be brown switches, like I said. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish it all up, wipe it all up, because it did got some, as you can see, just like some lube in there, because it was like, I don't know, it was really scuffed because I don't really have the right tools. But even though I don't have the right tools, I still managed to do it. So if I can do it, you guys can do it too. So yeah, we're just gonna move on to the typing, and then I'm just gonna finish all this up. I'm gonna clean this with alcohol so it's not slimy, you know, because of the lube. So yeah, once all that done, we're gonna do a typing test to the Akkos red switches. Alright guys, already finished it. It's all clean now, and you can also see what have changed since it turned purple. As you can see, there's the brown switches. This is purple. This is the Akkos. I think I'm gonna buy one more Akko so I can complete the set, you know. And I also will have to buy keycaps, and I will probably spray paint the frame so it fits, because like, you guys gotta stay tuned because the keycaps that I'm gonna get is about to be bussin'. But yeah, as you can see right now, it is 1:37 a.m. I just finished. I kind of want to do a type test. Let's see. Ooh, dude, that is the thought. Dude, the spacebar is so nutty. Oh my god. Dude, that is nutty, dude. I don't want to do a type test right now, but I can't because I'm holding the phone. I need to get the stamp. It's already like night time, guys. Like I want to do it, but I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed. But this is not where the video is gonna end though, because I'm gonna wake up and start doing it. I'll move on to the typing of the Akkos now. Alright guys, it's finally the next day, so I can show you guys what it sounds like when typing. Alright, are you guys ready? Here we go. Alright guys, that's the sound that I wanted to achieve, and now I finally got it. Just a little bit of lubing. I mean, the brown switch is still like, it's still thought, but not so much as this though. And the spacebar, dude, holy, that is crispy. But yeah, I really like this mod that I did. I will further customize this though. I'm gonna buy new keycaps because it is not fitting in anymore. Plus, you can see it does kind of turn the light kind of purple-ish or red rose-ish. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna buy more rose red from Akkos because that is so good. So if you guys want to like spend this, then definitely yeah. With the lube and not lube, I don't think there's any sound difference to them, but that's I don't really know, but just lube it, you know. Lubing is like pretty good, and I can't hear the springs anymore, which is good because when I had this keyboard, all you hear is like springs, but now you don't. Yeah, I can't hear it. I can't hear it anymore. So yeah, lubing makes a difference. The spring, at the spring you could put a lot more lube so it doesn't, you know, because it's a lot more better, I think. But and then the rest is like little lube is the best. More lube is worst. So don't put a lot of lube because it will not be smooth. It will be harder, you know. Don't put a lot of lube. Only put it on the springs because the springs can handle it or whatever. I'm not a keyboard genius, but as you can see here, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Stay tuned though, because I will mod this further, and yeah, just stay tuned for that. Check out the graphics card video. I did the benchmark and stuff, and I'm probably gonna stream right now, but I'm not really sure to test out, you know, everything. So yeah guys, I'll catch you guys to the flip side.